I'm back here again. So before we move into anything else, let me show you a few improvements to our context processor Chrome extension itself for Alchemist. So let's have a quick look, shall we? So here's a query that actually started off with tell me about Alchemist C1 and X1 not use the internet, so that it does not use the internet and only uses our platform extension itself. And now this is fetched. So all this is it's always like this is just basic, a very basic output, right? But what if I said that you can actually save this context and then you can actually use it across your LM tools? Now that's real fun, right? Let me show you how we can actually do it. I'll just open up ChatGPT again and maybe ask something like, tell me about the founders of Alchemist AI. Do not use the internet or external resource. And I've just switched this on and now we wait. So automatically the conversation, the context was fetched and accordingly the data came out. So here's the thing. So now AI agents and memories do make up a lot of it. But now in here itself about the founders of Alchemist AI, we did not upload the data information here itself. The output did not come in. But what did come out was a deterministic layer that showed that where the outputs came as, what were the data points that were taken in, and what were the things that we were building. So yep, this is one of that. And now you would want to use this across Claude or any other LLM, right? So I'm just saving the context here, and you can use API key itself. Won't be not a big issue. So now here we go. Now let's go to Claude and ask it the same question. I'm here at Claude, and let's see what we can have. I just copy pasted this, switched on the Alchemist memory, and now it will go on. Now it will find out information on its own. And here you go. Automatically the context was fetched, the data was taken in, as well as this was taken that Claude just said that, okay, I don't know much information, but what we have is these data points. And here you go. So now you can actually carry context across multiple scenarios, and you have also tested out an edge case wherein there's no information about the founders of Alchemist in the context itself. So now coming, where's the context? So here we go, same old, same old. And here we go again. Here you have the context. Here you can actually see the traces, the converse, the traces here in itself. Let's have a quick look as it loads. And here you go. All the data that has been fetched, you would be actually able to see from the different places where it can get this, as well as you would be actually be able to see all the traces and all the information points that were taken and referred to as well. So now the memory, this was a document that that was generated from a conversation with ChatGPT, and now that was the one that was carried forward to Claude. And here itself you can have another look before it went to ChatGPT. Where did it come from? Here you notice there is no such memory object in it, and you would understand that yep, there is no other data point, but it is taken only from the PDF that was applied to it. And now, given that ChatGPT was able to give an output of it properly, it was saved in the memory storage. And yep, and that's through only one button that is required, wherein you go and press the save context button itself. So yep, that's one of the biggest things that we have done so far, and we know you can make better use of it than us. So yeah, keep building, keep shipping, keep understanding, keep context referencing.